In this video, we are going to show a step-by-step procedure on how to make chicken nuggets and patties right from slaughtering of the chicken. In the first step, the chicken is placed in the bleeding cone and involve a swift cut at the jugular vein and let it to bleed till it dies. After slaughter, the poultry is scalded, that is, dipping it in hot water to loosen the feathers, followed by plucking the feather manually, known as defeathering. After completely plucking the feathers, we follow a step called singeing, that is, flaming the small feathers present on the surface of the skin.
The next step is removal of the head, legs, wings, known as decapitation. Then followed by evisceration of the carcass, that is removing of the internal organs without any contamination. After evisceration, the carcass is washed thoroughly. After washing, the carcass is cut into small pieces and followed by deboning, that is removal of the muscles from the bones.
Finally, we got the muscle pieces which is needed for making nugget and patties. Now, we have come to an important part of the video on how to make nuggets and patties. Nuggets and patties are comminuted meat products and good source of high quality protein, vitamins and minerals. It is prepared from chicken meat and other non-meat ingredients.
These are the ingredients we need: meat 80%, water 3%, oil 3%, salt 1.5%, spices 0.5%, potato 3.5%, suji 2.5%, maida 2.5%, condiments 3.5%.
In the first step of making nuggets, we grind the small cut pieces of meat and Nutella in the meat mincer, as shown in the video. Then we need to mix all the ingredients with the grind meat and Nutella. For this, we use the bowl chopper. In the next step, we apply oil to the container before keeping the firmly mixed meat into the containers and prepare it for cooking. We then cook it at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and then cool it down, and finally our nuggets is ready. The final step is cutting it into nugget shape and it's ready to eat.
For making patties, we follow the same initial steps till mixing the ingredients. The shape of patties are given with the help of hamburger forming machine. We then baked it in the oven for 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Finally, we got the tasty nuggets and patties. And if we want, we can pack it in the container and seal it tightly to prevent contamination.
I am Satisfyo Pakyntein.
And I am Jannatun Begum.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.